We need to refine marketing plan. This is the worst time of year for sales. I will set up the time for the next meeting. Mr. Jones wishes she could be here, but her flight was delayed. Approval for the financial plan must be gained by this Friday. Approval for the financial plan Approval for the financial plan must be gained by this Friday. Approval for the financial plan must be gained by this Friday. The development team has asked for a 2-week delay for the original project completion date. If we want to be successful in this market, we need to develop a new business model. Sales last month were much higher than expected.